so pitted, like.
Someone's going to the dentist today. It's 6:30. It's disappointment. Oh.
Wish Daddy good luck.
Good luck, Daddy.
No kid trying to steal my ice cream.
Okay, so we're just gonna Target all the way and then run out of gum boots for like ages. So we're just gonna go to the next store now, get some shorts, and then go to Is that okay? Sorry. Food. Daddy can only really eat like mashed potatoes. We got Iris a salad. And then he's gonna have sundae, veggie mojito, banana milkshake, and an ice coffee. Okay, well, we have a massive haul and we're probably broke right now, but here it is! Yay! Okay, well, Iris is already in there, but we've got a tablet for Iris and then a camera for me. I'm so excited to use it, and accessories, and then we have two S10s down the back there. All that stuff is from JB, this is from Telstra, and we're just gonna open it up and set it up, and that's what the video is about. So
Iris is unboxing too. See?
good job. Can I have a taste, please? Let's try it out. You've opened yours already? What does it look like? Oh my goodness. It's a full screen. Oh yeah, I forgot.
Yeah, show them how big it was.
Oh, it's very thin.
Here, and what?
Yeah, so this is what we had originally. It's still got like the button and stuff. This has no button and it's significantly bigger. The width is sort of the same, but like, you know. I'm excited because the camera is going to be so much better. And that's basically what I wanted. Ooh, everything's black. Black charger. Black on the go thing. Whatever he was saying before. Okay, so now everything's going to have to be a C port because before the charger was different. Headphones, la 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 la. And oh, this is the charging cable.
Have you got scissors?
No. Oh yes, I do.
You do?
Yeah, in my pencil case. I'm gonna peel the plastic up. Oh, so satisfying, and straight into the case. This is weird. Feels weird.
You've got it all.
Hi.
We went from one camera choice to
3. Which one? Which one? Pick an eye, babe. Pick an eye. I just get. Okay, so it was backed up 3 days ago, and now I'm just restoring everything from this phone to this phone. So smart. Woo!
Now we've got the Samsung Tab A here.
Wow.
You know, moving on up.
It's very. We've never had a tablet before.
Comparison. Yeah.
Wow, this as big as my child's back, I suppose. Oh, please don't.
There it is.
Oh my god.
And then was
Don't. Oh my goodness.
oh, there's dog hair on it.
It's huge.
No, there isn't.
That's bloody huge.
Yeah.
Yes, this is a Samsung Tab A.
Where's the buttons? Pop it in here. Pop.
Wow.
Gonna be getting a lot of that. Got a C-port charger.
Alright, so we've upgraded now. We're like moving on to C-port things. Wow. That's That's intense.
Oh, let's see if she's got any charge. Fire it up then.
Fire her up, mate. Oh no, on his face. Oh, baby. You've seen the Samsung Galaxy phones, you've seen the Joby tripod, and you've seen the tablet. And now I'm going to do my most favorite unboxing haul, which is the mic for this. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. There's my man over there. Thank you for getting me this camera, honey. You can't really see his face right now, but he's there.
She's in your pajamas.
And I'm gonna be him in pajamas. But I'm so excited for this. Oh my god. Okay, let's open it. Let's do it. And it's ridiculously light. I couldn't believe it. I'm just gonna open this up. Papers and instruction manual. Okay. Okay, so the inside looks like this. It's got a whole bunch of stuff. I can see a camera lead neck thing in there. Lanyard already. Lanyard. Okay, one of these. So this is the neck one. Cool. And then we have the lens here. So this comes with the camera. And I think it was like a 15 to 45 mil lens. The cap on the other side. Handy dandy. Okay, and then we've got the charging cable for the battery. And then here is the battery tray thing. So one thing that I do have to do is get another spare battery. Just double check that that's everything in the box. Box empty. Oh my god. The Karud M50. And has a viewfinder. How cool! Okay, so I'm going to put the lens on. Oh my goodness, I actually don't know how to do this because I've never had something like this before. Oh, you line the dots up, okay? There's a white dot here and a white dot here. Huh?
A big dot there.
Big dot. Where do you turn it on? Oh, okay. So like it's got a little flick on the side here. Off. On. I think the battery is actually dead. But this is it. Oh my god. That is so freaking cool, dude. I love that. So, since this is going to be charging, I'm actually going to open up the Joby microphone as well. I did originally want to get a Rode microphone just because they're common and I have no idea what Joby would be like, but I'm assuming it's the same because it costs a lot of money. Okay, so the tech must be there. Okay, Joby. Oh my god, I nearly dropped it. Ooh, okay, so it's looking like this, and then this is for like wind and stuff. You can see it's got a perfect cutout there. So I suppose you can't like stuff it up. Oh my god. I feel like a professional. This is the first time I've had something like this. Okay, so then I think it's like ox cord, ox to ox, and then a spare, which is handy. What the hell? Look at this. That is so fucking cool. I suppose it would just sit on there like that, and then you can just like, oh, okay. So you can't flip the screen the other way when you've got the thing in, the microphone. Hey?
The two ox cord?
No, it's just that. Oh, okay. Well, that sucks a little bit, but take it back. So yeah, you can't move it that way, but you can move it that way. It's digital, the viewfinder. So yes, I'm gonna charge this up, and then yeah, I'm gonna like do a little film thing. But look at this. Okay, thank you for watching. This dude's on holidays, just watching planes.
Oh no.
Yeah. What are you looking?
Now I'm looking for
Busted your boy.
wood.
The kids are asleep. So we get to like do cool stuff like breathe and go to the toilet and have a drink when we want without people going, can't have stuff.